Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Charisma. Welcome back to my channel. To all my new subscribers from Twitter and beyond, I want to say welcome and thank you guys so much. I did make 1,000 subscribers today. I was only, I think, 40 away from it. So thank you guys. I'm going to address the 1,000 subscribers later in another video later on within the month. There are going to be goodies coming along with that, but I just wanted to give you guys like a little heads up on what's been going on as far as YouTube is concerned. So yeah, YouTube, y'all on some straight BS. Okay, well, enough of that. So let's get into this beautiful coif that I have on my head today. Girl, listen. Ooh, this is just, ma'am, it's giving me life. It's giving me life, ma'am. Yes, it is. So this is brown sugar. This is the brown sugar wig, and this is made by Main Concept, and this is in the style BS126, and the color is 1B30. Y'all, this wig is so just, oh, it's everything. It comes in an array of colors. It is a human hair style mix. And like I said, the color I have is 1B30. It's a natural deep middle lace part. As you guys see, I have my part to the left because I'm a left part girl. But I am going to put it in the middle so you guys can kind of see how that looks as well. This wig is really popular on YouTube right now, and I really wanted to pick it up because I love long wigs that have a gradient effect to them. I would say ombre almost. I just thought it was so gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of the Shake and Go Free Tress Freedom wigs that I own. But I like this one as well because the texture of the hair is like the business. It's like relaxed hair that has just been pressed. If you guys understand where I'm going with that. It's thick, but it doesn't look too thick. It just looks really natural. Y'all, this is everything. It just looks so natural and thick and healthy. It doesn't have any shine to it, which is always a plus. I did have to go in and pluck the part a bit. I didn't put any concealer, but I'm going to. But I did have to go in and pluck the part just a tiny bit. I might do it a little more, but I think that's okay for right now if I just throw some concealer in there, I suppose. But it is a deep part. It is a really This wig has no combs at all. It has no combs. It only has adjustable straps in the back. And I put mine, I think, on like the tightest one, so it's kind of snug on my head. But I will say that this is big head girl friendly because the little swoops that you put your little, you know, your hooks in, they go all the way down in the back. So it to me, I would say that it is big head girl friendly, so it fits nice and snug. I didn't experience any shedding at all. Even when I was plucking my part, there was like no shedding. There's like a couple of strands coming out of my paddle brush, but it's not excessive. And I really think that this wig, you could keep this one for about a year, 6 months max, honestly. The texture of it, I mean, you can just tell it's just a really good wig. And you can definitely rock this for a year. I mean, now if you're wearing it every day, I don't know about that, but I'm just saying, if you're wearing it sporadically, definitely a year. I have many wigs that I've had, some for 2 years. It just depends on how you wear it and how you take care of your wig. This wig was $31, which was already a reasonable price, but 40% off, I paid like $19 for this wig, plus the $4.99 flat rate shipping that they do have. Now let's go ahead and get into the rest of this wig. So right now I have it on the left part. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle so you guys can take a look of, see how it looks. So this is how it looks in the middle. Now I'm sure this will be cute on anybody else that has a nice big pretty round face. My face is oval. It's like really, I have a really tiny face. So since the hair is so thick, it's like swallowing my face. It's like literally like swallowing my face. So for me, it's not a good look in the middle or whatnot, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 for you guys. also, I meant to tell you guys that this wig didn't come with any lace at all. The lace, there was no lace on there. So if you want to put your little baby hairs or whatnot, so it won't look so wiggy, like if you bring the hair back like that, then you can go ahead and put your baby hairs out there. So yeah, there was no lace that came with the wig. The wig is about, I would say maybe, let me see. Ooh, it's a long one. I would say 24 inches, 24, 25 inches long. It's way past my boobage. So yeah, about 24, 25 inches. Okay, you guys, well, that's pretty much all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to go out and pick it up at GoBeautyNewYork.com. They're a new website. Go ahead and support them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you approved of my great quality content today. And until next time, guys and girls, I'll see you guys. Bye.